Join us at Whole Body Cardio here. This is one of our most advanced routines for your lower back, and you should only do this if you progress through the other levels safely and you feel confident that you're ready to take it to the next level. This level is all about getting your body working as a whole, building that athletic capability of your body while increasing the strength, the function of your lower back. So let's get into it. If you have a weight, a kettlebell works great. If you just have a normal dumbbell, that would do the job as well. So you can start with a stretch of the hip, holding the weight in between both hands. And we're doing our normal nice deep squat, so breaking at the knees, sitting back, open the hips out. And to open the hips out further, we're going to use this weight to assist us. From here, I'm just sitting, relaxing, letting my elbow push my knees out, plus the weight just pushing me down into even deeper squat than I normally would be able to do. So don't spend enough time squatting these days, so a weight like this can help you to get that extra bit of depth. Alright, our next warm-up stretch, moving the weight down here. Basically moving into split, so front leg straight, back leg as straight as you can, and go as deep as you can. I can't go terribly deep here, but from here, put your hand on the mat and just collapse that hip on the hand side in towards the ground as close as you can. That way you get to stretch the hamstring on the front leg as well as the hip flex on the back leg. You can just bounce there, just hang around every 30 seconds or so, getting ready for the exercise. Then move over to the right side. So once again, into a split, as deep as you go, put the hand on the ground, and then just collapse the hip down and just bounce there for a bit. Alright, next up we're going to work with the kettlebell. Do some kettlebell swings. For this first exercise, it's grabbing the kettlebell in one hand. Can do 20 to 40 reps per side. So using my hip here to shoot the weight forward, and now sitting back, trying to keep my weight through my heels. Keep your lower back straight. So working my core quite a lot while working out my thighs. And when you've done your 40 or so, do the other side. Alright. Next up, I'm going to swing up to this position here, so you catch it on your chest. If you have just a dumbbell, you just hold it against your chest. It's a little bit of technique to this. In the beginning, it's probably best to sort of rotate the weight out while catching it with the opposite hand and just place it on your chest. From here, you're going to do a squat, up and push up the straight arm. And down, swing, catch. Here you can do 15 to 25 per side. I'll show one on the other side as well. So, swing up, catch, squat down, and up. Alright, our last exercise. Going to do a deep, full depth squat with straight overhead arms. So getting this bar straight above my head, a little bit wider than the shoulder width with my hands. From here we do our normal good squatting technique, so breaking at the knees, sitting back, then open the hips up, and try to keep that weight straight above the center of your foot, where you would transfer your weight through and back up. So this you can do 12 up to sort of 40 off. Or alternatively, if you want to make it even harder, you can use the weight, so either your bar with weights on it, or a one-handed deep squat. So from here, break at the knees, sit back, open up the hips, full depth, and back up. And from the side, break at the knees, sit back. So that's great for keeping control through your core while really working that flexible full range hip. Right. Next up, heading on to core stability. And once again, you're going to incorporate the whole body. 3 exercises. You can work each position for 30 seconds up to a minute. So first one, start in the plank, and we're going to, for the first 30 seconds, walk elbow to hands like this. The whole time, try to keep your core locked on and minimal movement through your core. Then for the next 30 seconds, you tucks, taking the opposite elbow and knee together. Just do some sort of crunches to a small extent. Working this for 30 seconds. And our last exercise, we're going to do a half snow angel. So opposite foot and hand goes up, snow angel up, back in and down. Opposite side, out, in. And do that for 30 seconds as well. So it's 90 seconds altogether, or 3 minutes if you do the full minute per exercise. That's really going to get your core going, and feel free to do a couple of rounds as well. So, fairly condensed, great exercise for lower body health and your overall athleticism. Enjoy it.